Welcome to Bree and Janelle Gittins Studio. My name is Bree Gittins, and I am the founder and the creative director of the studio above. And we're currently filming in Toronto. Today's video is I'm so excited about. I've been waiting for this to come in the mail. It has come in the mail, and this is it. I'm obsessed with it. I love this bag. It's a Valentino. It's not Valentino. It is a designer dupe. No, this is not Valentino. Crazy. This is a bag I bought on AliExpress. AliExpress. I bought this bag on AliExpress. It's not real Valentino. It is it's a $4,000 bag design. It's not Valentino. I wish I could afford the real thing, but I can't. I love designer dupes. I think designer dupes give you air fun. I love this bag. And that's it. You know, I can't afford the real bag. I'm just out of high school. No, I'm just out of college. I'm just out of college. Gotta pay my loan back. Okay. I'm like, this bag is just so beautiful. I got this in the store at AliExpress, and I just love it. I think it does what it needs to do for me. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing. Look at that. Like, it's nice. It's really, really nice. Look at the chain. I'm going to put the chain on really quickly. Look at the chain. It's a crossbody now. It's a crossbody bag. It's just so beautiful. This is my first time buying from AliExpress, and it was a success. I love it. And I bought another bag. It hasn't come back. It hasn't come in the mail yet, but it will be in the mail. It is the same bag, but it's the Rockstar stud instead. Ooh, I'm excited for that one to come. I think it's the same size. So this is actually the large bag. So this one's $4,000. But I love it. I love this bag. I think it's definitely my aesthetic. I saw Jordan Holloway from Gossip Girl. She wears a Valentino bag, and I was like, it was meant to be. I need to get a Valentino bag because I am so inspired by Gossip Girl. Gossip Girl is my mood, my aesthetic, it's my life. I mean, fashion-wise, not my life. Fashion-wise is my life. So, let's watch the unboxing of my Valentino bag. I recently purchased a bag from AliExpress. This is my first ever purchase from AliExpress. It is from China. I was kind of scared because sometimes you don't get what you order. So, I ordered this. I did my research, and they have multiple sales of this bag. This is a luxury bag. It's actually a knockoff of the Valentino bag. And I'm excited to look inside. And let's do this. So this is the bag. I'm going to take this off. Oh, this is it. I'm going to open it for you guys. That's how they package it. They packaged it really nicely, though. Let's look inside. So I took the wrap off and this foam off, and this is the bag. Oh my god, it's the first time we've seen this. This is a knockoff of the Valentino bag! It's actually a $3,000 bag, and I have it for, I think I paid $40 for this bag. And it's so big. I'm in love. I'm in love with the bag. I'm gonna go look inside right now. I'm in love. Let's open inside the bag and see what goodies inside. this bag. It's so beautiful. Whoa. I'm gonna go in here. Shit, let me redo this. Sorry. Let me redo. So in here is the chain. It is so pretty. Look at that. Don't mind my hands. So pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this bag. This bag is everything. The Gossip Girl okay, give me a minute. I'm just so happy. Okay, the Gossip Girl, the reboot. Jordan, I'm so sorry, guys. I meant Julian. JC was wearing a Valentino bag. This is not the one she had. She had the knit one in green. That's an expensive bag. Can't afford it. And I'm happy with what I've got. This bag is gorgeous. Love AliExpress. I'm giving you my money, AliExpress. This is gorgeous. This looks like the real thing. This is a celebrity. Oh no. This is a designer dupe, I should say. This is a designer dupe for half the price. I know it's bad to buy designer dupes. I know. They get a bad rep. But look at this bag. This looks exactly like the Valentino bag. And I'm happy that I own it. Whoa, it's my expression, my vibe. I was feeling that. I'm just passionate. You know, I love styling, and I love bags. That's why I'm obsessed with bags. Bags give me joy. They give me happiness. And this is my new signature bag for right now. No one needs to know that this isn't the real deal. This is between you and me. You know, you and me know it's not the real deal, but I love it. So thank you for watching this video. I have no complaints about this bag. And I was about to wrap and then just start talking more about the bag. I should let you guys go. Thank you for watching my video. I will be styling this. You'll be seeing this on Instagram. And follow me on Instagram because photos are coming. Lots of them are coming. Thank you. Love ya.